Good morning, everybody. Crazy day yesterday. Fall from open, a little bit mid consolidation day, midday, and then dump into the close, and then jump up into the close. Right 30 minutes, last 30 minutes. So this is something to always keep in mind. When market is red and dumps, there is two outcome, especially in the bull market we are right now. There's two outcome. Either it's a straight flush, straight down into the close, or last 30 minutes, last 1 hour, then the near close we get. Bulls can come in and bears can recover their shorts and lock their gains, lock their daily gains, and bulls can come in, hoping for bounce up or gap up next day, so they load up. So that's what happened yesterday, and it's always a possibility. And it seems like it's becoming normal right now. Every week, midweek, we get a flush down, dump, then by Friday we go to all-time high. So let's see what's going on. Futures are very green. Powell is coming at 10 a.m. Any symbol you're interested, let me know in the comments. Pre-market right now, ES5, 15:30, 1 hour is upward. 4 hour, we still have red bars, and daily MACD is downward. And the weekly, we got dark blue bars. So the danger in general still is there. Um, NQ to 5 is up, 15 is golden cross, but not too much strong. It's all about passing 18, 11. 15 and 30 and 1 hour is upward. 4 hour, we still don't have a yellow bar. And note that a lot of names 1 hour MACD is golden cross. We need a 4 hour MACD golden cross for in order for going crazier higher and new all time high on Friday. Um, yeah. Otherwise, if you see 30 minutes and a lot of names 30 minutes MACD dead cross, then it can again turn into a weekday. Dow Jones, 4 hour Dow Jones actually interesting. We got a 4 hour yellow bars, and MACD is curved up. That's interesting of Dow. RUT, 4 hours curved up, but it's still we have dark blue bars on daily and weekly. DXY. Finally dumping. That's interesting. It's going below 103,676. So next target is 103,183, 102,795. If the more this dumps, it can help text run up more. And looking very bearish pre-market from 5 to daily. Everything is pointing down. TNX. Going lower. Next target is 40.42. Pre-market from 5 to 4 hour, everything is pointing down. Daily is downward. So 40.42. If it goes below that, market can get a squeezy higher, especially on the small caps. Wix 3% lower. Next target is 1373. Yesterday was very interesting. It was just let me show you guys if I can show you here. So you can see here from the open was very bullish, and then suddenly the 10 a.m. report came and had a dump, then bounced up. So market continues falling, and then every time the 5 minutes MACD golden cross, it jumped, it made market fall more. And you can see here another golden cross here, market fall more. And then once it dead crossed, market bounced up hard into the close. Right now pre-market, 5 and 15 and 30 on 1 hour is downward. So next target is 1373. If it goes again above 1414, it's not gonna be good. SPX, all about right now is 5100. So yeah, if it jumps up, 5111, 5128 is the next, jumps up more. 5111 and 5128 is the next target. BTC is just wild, wild, wild. Yesterday touched 70,000, and then from 70 dumped to 60, and then it bounced up. This is too wild. I mean, that's how it was. BTC, that's how it was, before. It was like 10% up, 10% down, like 20%. It was moving like that. We didn't have that kind of movement long time, but it's happening right now. In general, it's still very bullish on daily and weekly. Yesterday we got dark blue bar, but again light blue bar on this big jump up. Need to have another 4 hour MACD golden cross for more run up. If it passed 70k, it can get really interesting. Maybe the 100k dream comes through. ETH, same thing, 13% higher. This one went to almost 4,000, then it dumped to 3,300. Now it's up, just getting very wild there. Apple, 1 point higher, was super weak last few days. So right now it's back to 171. 47 need to pass 179.96 for run back up to 173.54. Pre-market, all the small time frame from 5 to 1 hour is upward. 4 hour interesting, we got a light yellow bar. If the golden if the 4 hour MACD golden cross, maybe does again bounce up and run back up. Amazon, 175. I need to pass 175.83. If it passes that one, we're looking at the next target 177.43. If market gets crazy this week, I can go back to 180. Pre-market right now 5 and 30 is upward. We got dark blue bar on 30 though. 1 hour is upward, and we still don't have yellow bar on the TTM squeeze. Nvidia, big jump up into the close, and then right now it's continuing and is all-time high, is opening all-time high 879. My target of 883 finally is coming through. So 877.27 is opening above it right now. 877.27, 891.34. So 880.59, past that one we're looking at 885 and 891. Above that, sky is the limit. 911 and 936 are the next major level if it passes 891 this week. AVGO has earning this week, and that's a big one. Not today, in two. Today is Wednesday, Thursday after close is gonna be, and it's all about for today 1389. If it passes that one, 1419, 1437 can go crazy or higher. Those are the levels to watch. Pre-market looking very strong on the 15 and 30, and 1 hour we don't have the red bars yet. Baba, big jump up 2 points because of JD earning, and it affected. Yes, it's looking strong. Yesterday was acting very strong compared to other names. Even though market was falling, this one was holding up strong. So 73 is already passed. Next target to watch is 75.37. If it passes that one, we're looking at 76, 78, and 79.65. Pre-market, 1 hour, 4 hour looking very bullish, but daily is still pointing down. So we'll see. 75.37. Past that one can get crazy. Netflix was super weak yesterday, but 4 hours still pointing down. Need to pass 61.62. 62 pass. Next target is 606, 611. If 611 can pass today, we're looking at going back to 619.22. Pre-market 30 and 1 hour is pointing up. Need to get a yellow bar on the 4 hour to get more bullish on it. Meta 6 points higher yesterday. They had outage, and then market was weak, still pulled back. But right now 30 and 1 hour looking very bullish, so it's all about 497.67. If it passes that one, we're looking at 499, 501, 503.98 next target. Tesla, just wild name, going up, down, down, up, and then in general trend is very down on the weekly. Daily MACD is curved down, is about to have a dead cross. Most likely is gonna dead cross today. Once it does that, it's not gonna be good. 175 is the lowest of the season after the earning. So if it does break that one, God bless Tesla. So 175, if it passes, we're looking at 174.87, 172, 170.47 next target. Need to get above 178.95 for run back to 181 and 183. But pre-market 1530 is very down, and 4 hour we still don't have a yellow bar. Yeah, so not that much hope on Tesla. Microsoft was very weak yesterday from open, and right now is gapping up 2-3 points. Need to pass 406.4 to run back up to 409 or 411. If 403 breaks again, they can go to retest lower level. Not as strong as other names. 1 hour is golden cross, but 4 hour we still have red bars. Keep in mind, Powell is coming at 10 a.m. That's the biggest effect on market. Can dump the market, can fly the market. So that's why I'm covering both sides. Sorry about that. Google was showing a lot of strength yesterday. It's all about 134.15. If can pass that one, we're looking at 135.59. Next one, 4 hour is the only name. 4 hour is golden cross right now. That's good. We got yellow bar on the TTM squeeze, so maybe this is the bottom. 130 is the bottom for Google. So yeah, keep an eye on Google. 135, if it passes, can run back to 140. AMD 5 points higher, tagging along Nvidia. New all-time high, almost there. 211 is all-time high. So if it passes that one, 211.01, we're looking at 212, 215, 26 next target. 4 hour is near golden cross. Pre-market 30 and 1 hour is upward. So does have a chance to make a new all-time high for sure at open. But then we'll see if it's gonna pass 212. 212 past 215, and above that, let me just draw this one. 227 is the next major level. 215, 26, 227, 25. So yeah, 215 pass, we're looking at 218, 222, 227. It's possible to come in next 1 2 weeks, 227, if not sooner. BA just wild up and down. It opens, it jumps, it pulls back. So just gonna show you the levels. I like that the 4 hours golden cross, but in general the weekly is downward. If it jumps up 203, 205, if it can hold it 200, we're looking at 198, 196. SPY 3 points higher. All about 5 10 75 past that one. 5 11 45, 5 13 74 is the next target. If 509 can hold it, 507, and below that, retest of lows of yesterday, 505, 504, and 503.05. QQQ. Again, all up to Powell. 441 is the previous all-time high. Past that one, 442.03, 443.65, and 445.27. If 439 can hold it, we're looking at 437, 436, and lower levels. What else? Airbnb, holding up there. Adobe was very weak yesterday. ASML tagging along Nvidia. 998, 1026 next major levels. ARM opening 3 points higher. I don't like that the daily MACD is dead cross on ARM, so most likely the weakness is going to continue until the 4 hour is golden cross. Caterpillar, this one just keeps going higher. Coin 10 points higher. It's all up to BTC. 230.55 past that one, we're looking at 233, 237, 241. If 226 can hold it, retest of lower level, 222, 220, and those are the next level. Yesterday it almost went to 212. Disney just kept going for last few days, but right now it's consolidating. GS made a nice breakout yesterday, but market was weak, so it's all about 397. 397, if it passes, we're looking at 401, 404. JP Morgan, new all-time high. Yep, new all-time high. So this one, the next major level is 193.77. LLY, nothing exciting there. Need to pass 800 to get interesting. MSTR, they for sure they offering new notes, and they're gonna buy more Bitcoin. So that's the only thing is stopping it right now for run up. PanW, CRWD affected the earning, and CRWD ER affected this one, so it made a jump up. Need to pass 299 to run up to 303 and 306, but pre-market showing some weaknesses. Q comes 163, so if it jumps up, next target is 167.12. Let me just do this one here. 161.57, 167.12. So yeah, 160, 164, yeah. 165 is the next major, past that one, 167.12. SMCI, big jump up into the close yesterday. It's all about 1147, looking very bullish on the hourly and daily. Daily MACD is golden cross, so looking very aligned bullish. 1147, all-time high is 1155. So if 1155 at open passes, next target is 1214, and if it goes crazy, 1282 is the next major level. This one definitely needs a split soon. Snow 3 points higher because of CRWD. 173 passes, 175, 177, 179. What else? LRCX need to pass 982 for run up. TSM 4 points higher. Wow. This one 140, 183 is the next major level. Gold keeps going higher. Key level to watch is 198. 198.9 past that one. 202 and 206 is the next major. CRWD, new all-time high. This one, let's see how far can it go. Is that my final level? I think so. Nope, I have another level, 426. Okay, I'm gonna have to draw this a few times. So TGT keeps going, JD earning good, jump up, and then we are looking at 2664 is the next major level. If above that, 27, 29, 31, it's possible to get to 30 by next earning. ZS jump up on the CRWD, so 216, 27. If it breaks that one, can run back up to 221, 226. PLTR got a contract from government army, and then it's running up, not all-time high, but if it goes crazy, 3004 is the next target. JD effect on Baba already 2 points higher, so Baba just needs to break 75, then it can run up higher. CLWD, I went over it. Meta, I'm gonna draw CRWD at the end, the levels. Meta, I went over it. Good morning. GTLB, this one dumped big after the earning, and right now weekly is dead crossing, daily is downward. Best is to wait for the 4 hour golden cross. 1 hour is already golden cross. Best is to wait for 4 hour golden cross. Once the 62.37 passes, it can run back to 65.68. But usually when a name dumps like this big, it's gonna take some time to recover and go higher. If 56 can hold it, I can run down to 52.38. Snow, I went over it, I think, right? Yeah, Snow, I went over it. I need to pass 173 for run back up to 175, 177. Pre-market 4 hours golden cross. That's a good sign. So keep an eye on that one. Yep, that's pretty much it. Adobe, I think I did it, but I will do it again. 554. Past that one, 559 and 565 and 574. 4 hours still very bearish, but 1 hour is golden cross. Doesn't have that much volume pre-market, so we'll see. MDB, too many symbols today. MDB, MDB earning is coming up. Premiums are super expensive. And these big names of clouds, they dump big, so they're very volatile. But right now with the CRWD earning crazy, even the premiums can go even higher on MDB. Right now it's gapping up, so it's all about 419.49. If 419.49 passes, we're looking at 421, 423, 426.52. Possible to do recovery of yesterday fall, and we'll see what the earning does. So yeah, Carvana. Okay, 2 more minutes and this live is finished. I need 10 minutes before market. Carvana, we got a dark blue bar on daily. Weekly is still very bullish. Need to get a 4 hour golden cross for another run up. It's all about 85, 84.44. Past that one, next target is 91.64. And then above that, if it goes crazy, if 100 passes, it can go for 150. Let me do CRWD again. So this one, it's opening above 350 right now. Yeah, if you don't know, I have my method is drawing Fibonacci's between Fibonacci's. 548, but it's really important to draw the first one. So 397, it's possible to come this week, and then let's see until it gets there. 351, 22, 397, 79. Okay, so 362 is support. If it can hold it, can go back to 350 and lower level. If 369 passes, pre-market high is 378. We are looking at 380. 380 pass, we're looking at 387 and 397.79. It's possible 400 comes this week. All right, thank you so much and have a beautiful day.